Wensemo ya bunge ya West Mugirango Mheshimiwa Steve Mogaka niko bona asabire Eserekari Esiire Chisemi ase chisukuru cy'ububundi ensemo mashinani eriko ne kyaborokiwa ngosonga barase ensemo ere engia wego ni garuro kubole uchase wizara Chisemi ene keko bagorera borokiwe uniform eriko keye gurube ase abaibori muske Steve ni garingi ko yakwana igasa magacho amanene ye bunge wasorero.
Indeed, we can't say it more that uniform is becoming a barrier to education in this country. And Mr. Speaker, now that the Ministry of Education is even in charge of TVETs, where uniforms can be manufactured easily, can't we have a policy decision as a house and decide that the ministry shall supply all learners with uniform? I don't mind us creating a budget line for those TVETs to provide that kind of solution. And further, Mr. Speaker, why can't we have a policy that we define the uniform to be worn per grade so that whenever a learner goes to grade 8 in the entire Republic, we know that there is a standard uniform, and by looking at the child, you know that child is of grade 8, is of grade 10, is of Form 4. That will go a long way to ensure that there is order and also cost effectiveness. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.